Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Conqueror Developer, and with me here is Aisha, which is she's a front-end developer and woman leader. Wow, she's one of the very tough ladies in the industry. I
Hold
know.
on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Very tough lady in the industry. I know. She's laughing,
Ah,
she's blushing.
very top lady.
Yeah, and she has done lots of projects, web development, which I just show you now, currently ongoing. So Aisha is going to tell us how it is in the industry, and she's also going to be taking us web development, front-end web development. Those of you that are interested in web development and have been seeking to learn, this will be an opportunity for you to learn web development.
Okay, front-end web development is just either web development or software development. Anything front-end is just a branch of development. So front-end web development or front-end software development, whichever one, a software can be an application on your phone or on the desktop. Anything front-end is a branch of development. And in development, we have two sides to development. We have the front end, we have the back end. The front end is where the people can see, where the users can see. So I'll be calling people that use the software as I'll just be calling them users. Because normally, as long as you are using that application, you're using that website, you use it for one thing or the other, you are a user. Okay, so what users can see, what we can see on the screen, what can be displayed, we can see the colors, we can see different buttons on the screen, and so that is front end. Front end is what makes us to be able to view ourselves right now. So if front end is not available, I'm thinking maybe we may not be able to actually display what the user is supposed to see at the end. So that is what front end is all about.
So in other words, front end is just about the appearance, the appearance of either the
Yes.
website or the application.
Yes, I would like to say that they should start with, okay, if you visit google.com and you want to search for something on Google, you will see a search bar where you can input something. You will see Google's logo. You will see all those things on Google's website. So let's start from there. It's as basic as that. A website can be as basic as that. So there is a lot of websites you can visit to generate ideas of how you can build your own. But you can't just start building without having a skill. So what I was trying to say is actually that you visit a website, you like the look, but you think of, okay, how did they even come about this? So that look that you can see over there is the front end. Now, you are thinking of, what if I can build this front end of the website? So what skill do I need to have? So I will advise you start with HTML, because HTML is the structure of the website. It's just like someone standing. That we know everyone should always have a skeleton. Yeah, yes, they should have bone. They should have a bone that will structure them. So HTML is something like that. Is the structure of every website, or even any kind of software at all. HTML is the structure. Now CSS. After learning HTML, you can move forward to CSS. Now, some people may think, okay, HTML was more simpler. Now, when I move to CSS, it's a little harder. Yes, as you move forward, as you go on, in life, everything seems harder in life generally. So keep your cool and learn the skill. Now, since you have this determination of coming into the front end, let's do it this way. You need three things at the front end: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So with time, when you understand HTML, you can move to JavaScript and to CSS, sorry. So CSS right now is the one that will help you to add color to your structure, the structure you put into the website. Is the one that will CSS is the one that will help you to be able to style it with different colors, give it different sizing, give it different font styling and some other things like that. So as you can see on the screen right now, if you are watching us on this meeting, you can see that we have my name right in front of me. It is in one font, one kind of font. Okay. You can see that we have this leave button over here. It's another font. So you can use with CSS, you can use styling. With CSS, you can add colors, you can style the website any way you want. Then with JavaScript now, if you understand HTML and CSS very well, you will know that, okay, you can build the structure, you can style it, but what about the functionalities? What about if I click this button, I want it to work? If I click another button, I want to go to, maybe I want the button to shake somehow. Or if I click on a menu bar, I want it to come down. So if you go to any website on your phone, you will see that when you click the menu bar, once you click on the menu bar, it may come to the right or to the left, or it may come down from the top of the screen downward. So that kind of thing that you see over there is the work of JavaScript. So JavaScript will add functionality to the website. You can build a website with HTML and CSS. Yes, it will just be a static website, but JavaScript is the one that will add functionality. So it is the reason I'm emphasizing on JavaScript is because you will be able to play around it, add more functionalities, the kind of functionalities you want, and so. So that makes you a front-end developer.
Oh, thank you for that. HTML, the skeleton, CSS to style your website,
Yes,
and JavaScript for the functionality
the
of the website.
functionality.
So as
Yes,
a web developer, someone going into web developing must not HTML is. HTML is not a programming language, it's a markup language and is
yes,
very simple, extremely simple. Anybody can write it. So it does not matter
yes,
whether you studied computer science in school or you didn't study computer science in school. Um, you can do it. That is one thing you need to know. You
you
can
can
do
do
it.
it.
And Aisha over here in the videos to come, she'll be telling us how to actually build our own websites. So
Yes,
if you would love to watch her build your website, you already saw how the website looked in this video. So if you would love to watch her build a website for you and learn from her, so make sure you like and subscribe and join us next time to build our own website. All right. Thank you.
yes. Thank you for having us. Bye.
Bye.